Sorry about this morning. No excuse. We just didn't do the show. I have no excuse whatsoever. No excuse.
None.
But
we're here now.
And we have 12 open lines. We're going to be answering your immigration questions. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. And would you be kind enough, SMG, to share this Facebook, the Facebook feed onto the Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein feed.
Remember to comment your immigration questions and concerns for Brad. You can also hit the share button, give us a like, a heart, thumbs up, a thankful flower, anything you guys feel pertains to the show.
Thankful flower.
Thankful
Is
flower.
that what it's called?
That is it.
Okay.
I like it though. It's a nice flower.
All right. So you're listening to us right now live in the New York metropolitan area on 93.5 FM. It is a Friday afternoon, 12:07 in the afternoon. Really hot, warm day today. We're going to get right into immigration. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Where squeeze beats me. But we're going to be answering your immigration questions. 1-800-529-5465. Stacey Ann Robinson, first one to comment on the Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein Facebook.
Carlene Davis, first on YouTube.
Yes, and can you please share Mr. Annakie's Facebook link? You'll be able to do that, right?
Yes, will do.
Okay, 1-800-529-5465. I got two people on hold right now with your immigration questions on 93.5 FM in the New York metropolitan area. You're watching us on Facebook at Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein. You're watching us on Facebook at Brad Bernstein. Mm-hmm. I shared it onto my personal page. You can follow me or be my friend. You're watching this on YouTube. At Law Offices. Thank you very much. I'm trying to... everybody, there was a gremlin in here last night, and I don't know why the gremlin
messing with us.
Is messing with us, but he. All right, so here we got 8 people watching on YouTube. Here we are. I just pulled myself up. Mm-hmm. Okay, the gremlin shut everything down here on us last night, and here's Periscope, and got to refresh the Periscope feed at Spar Bernstein. And now we can watch Periscope as well. We've got to shut the volume off there. Do this. Do that. And now we're ready to go. 1-800-529-5465. I ask everybody who is watching on YouTube, and I ask everybody who's watching on Periscope, who's watching on Facebook, please share this with your friends and family. The only way Facebook allows us to provide this information to as many people as possible.
Yep.
They don't allow you to boost it.
Nope.
They only give it to a certain amount. Even though I have 60,000 people following a law office.
They set us at a percentage.
They only give us a small percentage. It's the way that Mark Zuckerberg...
All we can do is just increase your likes as much as we can, and that percentage will...
And the percentage goes up. So the best thing that everyone can do to help us, as I'm helping everybody else, is to please share this with your friends and family. And the best way to do that is to take out your thumb right now, press the button, and put it on somebody's timeline, or in a group that you belong to, or anybody who you think may need some legal help, or whatever it may be. 1-800-529-5465.
And invite your friends to like our page. And accept their invites too. They're sitting there. Yeah. I see them. Okay. I'm the one that sends them out every day.
You see them?
I send them out. It's still saying invited.
Right,
but you guys, you're giving us likes. We love it. Accept their invites.
All right. 1-800-529-5465. We appreciate everybody who likes us. We appreciate everybody who shares with us. And we're going to get right into immigration calls right now. It's funny when there's no squeeze, we go right into law, right?
Yep, just jumping
right into it. All right, Cheryl, what's up?
Hi, how are you?
How are you, my dear? Excuse me.
Yes, I'm great. Great. I have a question for you.
Yes.
You had told me the other day when I called that it takes.
What'd I tell you?
Yes, that it takes 7 years for me to actually stand for my sons who are
Right.
24 and
Yeah,
and
and
19
that's an
years old.
approximation. That's an approximation.
Approximation. Okay. And if I'm going to hire a lawyer, an immigration lawyer, to do so, how long would it take? Would it take the same amount of
It
time?
takes the same exact amount of time. An immigration lawyer cannot speed up the case. What a good immigration lawyer does is this, though. Doesn't slow down a case. So everybody always says, oh, the lawyer, if they come to me, oh, he did really well, he got everything really fast. It's not that I get anything fast. I can't jump lines. I can't push you ahead of other people who filed before you. But what I make sure is that the application's done properly and the procedures are done properly, so therefore nothing slows down. I can't even begin to tell you how many people screw cases up, slow themselves down, or just literally get denied and have to start from scratch again because they just do it wrong. So that's what a lawyer does.
Okay.
But and I will also say this, if you come in for a consultation, maybe there's other alternatives to you sponsoring your children to get them here faster. So when you go to a lawyer should explore other possibilities. For example, I'll just off the top of my head, I have no idea, but a job sponsorship's only 18 months.
Okay.
All right, so that's another reason to come in for a consultation. Maybe there's another avenue you're not aware of. And I don't know. I don't know what it is off the top of my head until I speak with you and find out more about your children, and that requires a whole consultation.
I understand. But the thing is, I'm all the way in Florida, Fort Lauderdale.
Okay, and I'm all the way north in New York. But what happens is about 150 years ago, Thomas Edison came up with something called the telephone. Okay,
Yes.
and then we do a phone consultation, and there's wires between Florida and New York, and I'm able to help you right over the phone. Just as you're calling right now.
Okay, cool.
All right. Do you ever hear Thomas Edison?
Pardon?
You know who Thomas? He was the founder of the telephone. He right? It was Thomas Edison, right?
Yep, it was.
Oh, no, not Thomas Edison.
Yes.
Thomas Edison was electricity.
No, Ben Franklin was
Alexander Graham Bell
Was the
was
phone?
the telephone.
No, I thought Ben Franklin was electricity.
Ben Franklin flew a kite and got electrocuted. Okay. Thomas Edison came up with the light bulb.
Thank
Thomas
you so
Edison
much,
was the light
sir.
bulb. Alexander Graham Bell was the telephone. And Cheryl's going to uphold so she can speak to somebody on the 700.0 version of Alexander Graham's telephone. Hold on one second, all right? All right, yes, it was Alexander Graham Bell. That's why they call AT&T Ma Bell. Right?
Okay.
So you ever wonder why AT&T is called Ma Bell? Because that is the mother of all telephone
yes.
companies, and it was started by Alexander Graham Bell, who made the first telephone call, and I think it was between New York. It's either between New York and Philadelphia or New York and Washington D.C. I forget. I've got
Far enough, though.
Wikipedia that one.
Let me find out.
Yeah.
Alexander
and
Graham
then,
Bell?
And then Thomas Edison was I think he had the incandescent light bulb. So because of Thomas Edison, we don't live with candles anymore lighting our homes.
Yes.
All right. 1-800-529. That is my trivia of the day. I believe I'm right.
Yep, he was awarded the patent for the phone in
Who is
1876.
it? Alexander Graham Bell, right?
Yes, yes.
And then Thomas Edison, he did the record player.
Hold on.
I
I'm still
think
looking
Thomas
at Bell.
Edison did the record player. No. Thomas Edison did the camera. It's either the camera or the record player, and he also did the incandescent light bulb. What did Thomas Edison do?
I'm looking at him right now.
Yeah. All right. You let me know while
I will.
Sharon.
Hello?
Hey, how are you?
Hi, Brad. I'm fine, thanks.
Right.
My question is, I'm here on vacation. I came up last week.
Right.
How long can I stay?
Generally,
Before we go.
it's 6 months. Generally, they tell you 6 months. That's the general rule. But if they told you something different, then it's something different.
Should there have been a stamp in my passport when I entered
No,
the U.S.?
they don't give it to you anymore. You can go online to ICE and print out an I-94, but generally it's 6 months. If they didn't tell you anything, it's 6 months.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right.
All right,
Thank you.
bye-bye.
All right. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465.
And if internationally.
I'm sorry?
And if internationally, for the
Oh,
international.
international is +1 212 227 8933 +1 212 227 8933. And Candy says she likes the history class. Brian is sharing. I appreciate it. And we have a whole bunch of comments here on Facebook, which we'll get to eventually. Leave your questions on Facebook, on YouTube, on Periscope. Grace or Garci?
Yes. I had a felony conviction in 1993, and it was embezzlement over $200.
What was it?
I had a embezzlement over $200.
Embezzlement of over $200.
That's correct.
Okay. What was the exact amount that you were alleged to have?
It doesn't have the exact.
Okay. And did you have a green card at the time? Did you have a green card at the time?
Yes.
You can't hear a word. By the way, on Periscope, they do not hear anything.
Yes. I did.
You did. All right. So if you have a conviction, what? It's her phone. Okay. If you have a conviction for any sort of, I guess embezzlement would be considered a fraud conviction. Any sort of fraud where there's a loss of money to somebody, and that loss of money factually was more than $10,000, $10,001, you're an aggravated felon. You would be barred from becoming a citizen. If the loss to the victim was less than $10,000, then it would be a crime of moral turpitude, and perhaps you can become a citizen. So really what we would need to do, because, when you plead guilty to embezzlement of more than $200, it could be $201 that was alleged. It could be $1,000 that was alleged. It could be $10 million that was alleged. We have to really actually investigate the alleged incident from 25 years ago and see exactly what were the charges against you and what were the facts of the case, and then we can make a determination whether this would fall in the category of an aggravated felony or would fall in the category of a crime of moral turpitude. That would make a big difference, because as a crime of moral turpitude, you would be eligible for citizenship. As an aggravated felon after November 17th, 1990, you wouldn't. If the conviction was before November 17th, 1990, even if it was an aggravated felony, you could still possibly become a citizen.
Good. But I have read that if it's 5 years.
What?
You haven't served even 1 day.
Well, you're breaking up. Can you move 3 steps to the right, please?
Yes.
You're still breaking up. You're still breaking up. Make two more steps to the right.
Hold your phone to the sky like a satellite.
Right. I want to help you, but I can't hear you. That's my problem.
Are you hearing me now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, I have read if you have a sentence of 5 years, even though if you haven't.
That's something different. That's something different. That's for a 212C waiver you're talking about. So,
I said 212C waiver.
Yes, you're talking about. I was talking about you becoming a citizen, and now you're asking a different question about 5 years. That's about a 212C waiver. So if you are sent to jail for more than 5 years, and the conviction is after November 17th, 1990, you're not eligible for a 212C waiver. You're also not eligible for a 212C waiver if your conviction's after April 24th, 1996. But that's something different. Okay?
Yes.
There's 100 laws that may apply to you. If there's a theft offense and you go to jail for more than a year, you're an aggravated felon. So, I can come up with 101 different things to talk to you about, which is why we need a consultation. Hold on 1 second, okay?
Okay.
All right. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Alex. Alex.
Hey, how's it going?
What's happening?
My question is, my 2-year temporary green card is going to expire in September. So do I have to go through the same process, or is immigration going to contact me?
Immigration's not contacting you. No one's contacting you. If you don't do anything, you're going to become illegal. It's not the same process either. You have to file an I-751 joint application with your spouse and show the two of you still live together. You have to do that within 90 days before the expiration.
Okay.
All right. If you're not sure what to do, come on and see me. Hold on one second. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465.
Got a quick question for
Yes.
you here. How do you prepare for your adjustment interview? What should you bring?
What is the adjustment based on? Marriage, job, visa.
Alicia, tell us what the adjustment
it's
is
100
based
different
on.
ways why you're adjusting your status. 1-800-529-5465. Antonio,
Hello?
how are you?
Yes, but I'm good now.
What's up?
Right. Is any I can speak to the crime lawyer?
The crime lawyer?
Yes.
Yes. Hold on one second. Hold on. It's criminal defense lawyer. Hold on one second. Okay.
Criminal defense.
Yes.
Okay,
I like that. I want to speak to the crime lawyer. I like that. Hold on one second. All right. So
I got another
one
one
second.
from-
One
from-
second.
oh,
One second.
okay.
I'm only one human being here. Line
Yep.
5. Criminal defense. I gotta. I'm not sure if they're listening over there. All right.
Refresh your Periscope page too. I have a question from there.
Refresh my Periscope page.
Oh, you didn't have to turn that on and off. Yeah, just click the Periscope tab bookmark I made for you. Yep, this person says they want to know about if they should apply for citizenship. They are an R1 based green card now.
You can't. Well, you can only apply for citizenship if you had a green card for 5 years. If there's no such thing as an R1 based green card. There's an R1 visa, which is for a religious worker, and that's a temporary non-immigrant visa. And then after you have been working in the United States for at least 2 years in R1 status, you can file an I-360 as a special immigrant religious worker to get your green card. So I'm not sure if the question is referring to the person has an R1 visa, and
That's them.
Oh, this is them here.
Yeah, on Periscope.
Okay, so they've had a green card for 5 years, but why should I just stay on a green card? Well, I mean, the only reason why you would not want to become a citizen, you're going to pay the same taxes. You're going to be beholden to the same laws here. The only reason why you would not want to become a citizen in the United States is if by becoming a citizen in the United States, the country where you're from is going to take away your citizenship. So, for example, this guy's name is Bob. Okay, I don't believe they really name people Bob in Japan. Okay, I don't think that's like a name you would find from Japan. But I know, for example, as a country that you would lose your citizenship if you become a U.S. citizen would be Japan.
Okay.
Okay, now maybe Bob is a made-up name, and this guy is, Suzuki, and then you got to really think about, do you want to be a citizen of Japan or a citizen of the United States? But let's say Bob, he says he's just I guess the schmuck on the internet. Well, schmuck on the internet gets a schmucky answer. What can I tell you? 1-800-529.
Doing what Periscope
This
does.
is Periscope crazy. 1-800-529-5465. Sherry,
Hi, good afternoon. I
how
have
are
a
you?
question.
Yeah.
Fine, thank you. I have 2 kids that are in Guyana. I sent them back home in 2005.
Right.
And I lost their green cards within that period of time. They haven't been back here since.
Why did they lose their green cards?
It was misplaced.
Okay. And how long have they been out of the country?
12 years.
What's been placed? How old are these children now?
18 and 16.
Okay. And what is your status here in the United States?
I'm a citizen, 4 years.
Okay. So what I would suggest you do, this is your children, is they've abandoned their permanent residence for the most part. I mean, they've been out of the country for 3/4 of their lives, if not longer. So what I would do is just refile new visa petitions for them now while they're under 21, and then they would get green cards to come back to the United States in about 9 to 10 months.
Okay.
That would be the
All right.
easiest, fastest way to do it. Now, once the children turn 21 and then you decide to bring them up, now you got a huge problem because they're going to be waiting 7, 8, 9, 10 years.
Okay, so my first step is to go to...
First step is to file I-130 visa petitions, new ones, for both children. And if you're not sure how to do it, then you come see me.
Okay, all right.
Hold on
By
one second.
1:30.
Yes, hold on one
All right,
second.
thank you.
You're welcome. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. It's Friday afternoon.
Yes, it is.
Thursday evening, SMG and I had our regular drink after work.
Yes, we did.
Yes.
Started the weekend off.
Started the weekend off last night at 6 o'clock.
Couple of drinks.
Me and SMG and Don Julio.
Our best friend.
Our best friend.
It was a good time.
Yes, 1-800. We actually, SMG is a very deep thinker.
I am.
He is a very, very, very deep thinker.
I like good conversation.
Yes, we
got kind of deep.
We got very deep into the conversation there, right?
Reminiscing and life lessons and all that.
Life lessons and everything, and the meaning of life and love, and wow, it was way too much for me to handle. My brain was ready to explode by the time I was done with SMG. 1-800-529-5465. Carrie.
Hi, Mr. Bernstein.
Yes.
Good day.
How are you?
Not too bad, but I'm not calling about an immigration question. I don't have an immigration question right now.
What's your question?
The fact is that I came by on Friday to see you.
Yes.
Which one of your attorneys?
Mm-hmm.
She did not allow me.
All right. So you're calling? Are you calling about complaining about something?
No.
What are you calling about?
I have a problem.
What's the problem?
Because I have a case. There.
All right, so hold on 1 second, all right? Because this is about your personal case, and I'll be happy to talk to you off the air, and I'll be happy to resolve it. But hold on 1 second, okay? I think that's the smartest thing to do, rather than you going off on the radio here. Hold on 1 second, all right? 1-800-529-5465. We will fix that. Line 3 needs to speak to me off the air.
Alicia actually told us what the adjustment was on from when I asked you earlier. She says she wants to prepare for a marriage adjustment. What should she bring?
Proof that her and her spouse live together.
Mm-hmm.
Pictures, bills, tax returns, bank statements that they share that anything that should show that she lives in the same household as the husband, that they share the same house, they sleep in the same bed, the pictures. Bills.
It's a bona fide relationship.
It's a bona fide relationship.
She says also if your bank statement has your married name but your ID doesn't, can you still bring it to your interview for adjustment? Would it cause a problem to take a bank statement in your married name?
No.
Nope.
No, it's pretty obvious. This is your maiden name and this is your married name.
There you have it.
All right. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. David?
Yeah, hello?
How are you?
Not too good. I'm not sure yet.
Okay, what's up?
I want to ask you a quick question. I'm a green card holder, and I have a marijuana conviction. So I was just thinking, would that stop me from traveling after probation or anything like that?
Absolutely. If you travel with a marijuana conviction, you will be most likely held at the airport and put in deportation. So that
means I wouldn't be able to leave the country ever again?
As of the law right now, yes, unless you're going to become a citizen, or unless you try to vacate your conviction, or unless you get a waiver beforehand, absolutely. And maybe you're not eligible for a waiver. Maybe you're automatically deportable. Maybe you're an aggravated felon. The time, David, listen to me.
Yeah.
David, listen to me. You made a mistake, okay? And not only did you make a mistake because obviously you got yourself involved in something that maybe you did or maybe you didn't, I don't know. Okay, maybe you were in the wrong place at the wrong time. Maybe you were in the right place at the right time. Okay, but you made a second mistake, and that is you're trying to figure out your immigration issues after the fact. Don't figure out your immigration issues after the fact. You should have been coming to me beforehand and say, Mr. Bernstein, my criminal defense lawyer wants me to take a plea deal to this. What are the immigration ramifications?
No, the thing is, the person that was representing me was from your firm.
Okay, so then now you know what the ramifications are. Okay, and obviously you were told what the ramifications are. So hold on 1 second, all right? And you want to come in and talk about your immigration status, that's fine, but I'm sure you were told about your immigration consequences. Hold on 1 second, all right? All right. So he knows that answer already. Guarantee you that.
Yeah.
Guaranteed. 1-800, so he's calling to get the same question answered a second time. He was told that. I can guarantee you privately what the immigration consequences were. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Kenny.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's up?
I'm just calling this is to find out. I'm married. We'll get married last year in Jamaica.
Right.
My wife's son filed for her, but he's not my son. But so she get her travel document. She don't get her green card as yet. So I'm just trying to find out how long will it take for her to file for me.
Say that again.
She get her work permit, but she don't get her green card as yet.
It's going to take 2 years.
3 years?
2.
2?
2, unless she becomes a citizen beforehand.
She have to become a citizen before?
No, she doesn't. What I said is it will take 2 years unless, UNLESS, unless she becomes a citizen beforehand, then it will be faster. What you need, and by the way, 2 years doesn't mean 2 years you're getting your green card here. It means you're doing a provisional waiver and you're going home to pick up your green card, which is a whole other ball of wax. So what I would suggest you do is go see a good lawyer. You're talking to one. All right? Hold on 1 second. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Marcia.
Hello, Brad. How are you doing?
Fabulous. How you doing?
I'm doing great, thanks. I just want to tell you you're doing a wonderful job on the radio.
Thank you very much.
God bless you. Okay, I have a quick question. You see, if someone overstays in the United States, but before that, that person had a J1 visa, went on the J1 program, right? And they had a social from the J1 program. Right, I'm just wondering if can that be used for say for example the person wants to get a divorce or the person wants to
when you get a social security number and it's a valid number, that's your valid social security number for life. All right, whether you're in status, out of status, you have a valid social security number for life. Now you can use that for any purpose you need that social security number, including paying taxes. However, just because you have a valid social security number, if you fell out of status, that doesn't mean you're working legally. It just means you're working out of status, but you're following all the other rules and regulations and paying your taxes.
Okay.
Got it?
So that can be used to get a state ID as well. Right?
You can use that, I guess, towards points of getting a state identification, but most likely the Social Security card would say valid with USCIS work authorization or visa status only, and then the state's going to say, hey, let me see that valid legal visa or work status, which you're not going to be able to show.
So what you're saying is that it wouldn't be a good idea to use it for a state ID, it's risky.
What I'm saying is that the state's not going to accept it because you're not in valid status. But I'm also saying to you that the Social Security number is a good number. So use it for any purpose you need it for. But that doesn't mean that you can go get a state ID because you have a Social Security number. You get a state identification when you can show that you are legal in America. Having a Social Security number does not prove you're legal in America.
I understand. I understand that. Yes, I understand that. And for because this person definitely has to get a divorce because it's not working out.
Right, but you can
use. I understand that it has to be on the form, right? So a number has to be on the form. So that same it's all right to use that number on the form.
Yes. Yes, absolutely.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Okay, but you're saying that they can use it also for the state ID, but then they might ask to show some others. That's what you're saying.
Say it again?
For the state ID, they can use it for the state ID, but they might be asked to show some other stuff that you're saying, and that...
Absolutely. You're going to have to prove, to get state IDs now under the Real ID Act, which was passed under George Bush, and we're going to have to end the conversation now because we got to get to personal injury. But to get a real state identification under the Real ID Act, almost every state now follows that, and you have to show authorized legal documentation to show that you are legal in America. Having a Social Security card does not establish legality in America, although you can, if it's a good number, you can certainly use it to pay your taxes, get a divorce, or anything else that you need. And by the way, if you don't have a Social Security number, you can still get divorced.
Okay, because they said it has to be on the form.
Yeah, this is going on way too long. Okay, you cannot be as clear and blunt of saying it's the 7th time now. Having a social security card does not authorize you to get a state ID. Got it?
I got it.
Got it. Okay, thank you. All right, she's trying to you're trying to pull the hair in half, and you can't.
I just wanted to. I don't know, but I just wanted to.
I love you, but I got to move on. Okay.
I get you.
All right.
I understand. Have a good day, and thanks so much.
All right, thank you. All right, 1-800-529-5529.
You see this guy on Periscope?
Bob is going off on Periscope. By the way, he thinks you just came from
From where?
your bar mitzvah. Let alone, unfortunately, Bob, Russell here is not Jewish. So,
I came from somebody else's bar mitzvah, and I had a good time.
Oh, man.
so you got, Russell is not Jewish, so there's no way you could have come from his bar mitzvah.
That's true.
All right.
Well, I guess there's always time to change, right?
There's always time to change.
You
You
know?
can convert if you want. According to
could.
Bob, you should
I
be
could.
converting.
So what's up?
So we have our personal injury attorneys here, Moshe, Baruch, Adam Russell.
Yes.
Moshe.
In the flesh.
In the flesh. What's going on in the personal injury department here at Spar and Bernstein?
What isn't going on in the personal injury department?
Tell me what is not going on.
What is not going on?
Is people don't make money.
Correct.
Okay, tell me now what is going on.
Settlement negotiations,
Right.
active litigation. We are investigating massive construction cases as we speak right now. I shouldn't even be on the radio right now, but
You should not be.
But we're here,
Right.
and we're excited to talk to everybody who hasn't thought about us. And we actually got a really good decision that Moshe should really talk about.
All right, yeah,
go ahead, Moshe.
So a few months ago, about 6 months ago, we had a client come in. He didn't realize that his accident involved the city of New York. And as everybody should know, the city of New York has a statute that you have to file within 90 days, what's called a notice of claim. And if you don't file this notice of claim within 90 days, you forfeit your right to sue. Now, there are exceptions. Now, these people who retained us after the 90 days
The exception is you got to file a late notice of claim.
Right, but that's not always approved by the
Yeah,
court.
that's not just okay.
You basically, there's a statute of limitations. It's 90 days. If you don't file a claim with the city of New York in 90 days, you can't file a lawsuit against the city. You're screwed.
Correct.
You have. So when you get injured, the point is, when you get injured, you better contact a lawyer immediately. You got 90 days. Lucky for this guy, he had Moshe and Russell.
Well, we had the whole personal injury team get
Right.
together, plan a cause of action, and get an order to show cause filed with the court, and we won, and we got this late notice of claim deemed served. So we basically saved this case.
And the truth is, it wasn't only the judge. I mean, we had to go to a judge and ask permission in a motion, but the city fought this. They put in papers, it was 10 pages long. No, they should not be allowed. This claim should be in the garbage.
So the bottom line is, you have 90 days
Right.
to file a notice of claim. If you get hurt in an accident, don't F around and do nothing.
You can't wait.
Don't muck around, because you're going to muck it up. You have 90 days, if it's, and people don't even realize, why did this guy not realize it's the city of New York?
Because it happened in front of somebody's home.
So exactly, so why would they think it's the city, what was it, sidewalk?
Exactly.
So he gets hurt on the sidewalk, thinks it's the person's home, I have all the time in the world, comes to us 90 days later, and now he can't file. Sorry, too late, statute of limitations is up. But because we got pretty good lawyers here, we're able to overcome that notice of claim problem and be able to do it. The point of the matter is, I think what you're trying to say is, besides that you're really good lawyers, I think that the point of what you're trying to say is, you got to come in right away. I mean, even if in an automobile accident, people wait.
Here's the rule of thumb. If you get into any accident at all, the faster you move and get an attorney's advice, the better your case will be going forward.
Right.
That's so true.
All right.
There's no reason to wait.
So anybody who, God forbid, I'm telling you something, these guys get big money. I mean, we go through it all the time. Russell, millions and millions of dollars on specific cases. $4.5 million on a construction case, right? I mean, I could go on and on. Moshe just had a trial where the insurance company says the guy's not hurt. I'm going to give you $500, and then he went to trial and got a verdict for $161,000, I believe, right?
With interest.
With interest, $161,000. So I mean, these guys fight for you. I mean, and listen, is $161,000 the biggest case in the history of the world? Absolutely not. But for this guy, who wasn't.
He wasn't really injured.
He wasn't injured.
He was injured, but it was a soft tissue injury.
Soft tissue injury.
When they're offering you $500, that's a crazy result.
Yes, that's right.
I mean, that's the passion that goes behind your case.
You know,
that's what this is all about.
Most lawyers would have said, "Sorry, you have no case."
100% correct.
Okay, sorry, they only want to give us $500. You have no case. Take it back.
Even the judge told me.
Yeah.
She said, "Look, this is not a good venue for you, and it doesn't look
Take
like
the $500.
Right? She said, "Take it and run." And I said, "Your Honor, we can't do that."
Yeah. All right, Moshe's like, "Sorry, that's not happening. Not
at Spar Bernstein.
Right. So I mean, but literally, that's what it was. $500 offer. And then when the trial started, the lawyer, I remember the lawyer. This was like 3 months ago. The lawyer says to Moshe, "Well, now that you started the trial, we're not even going to give you the $500." Moshe's like, "I don't care. I'm gonna tell this to the jury and let the jury decide what this is worth." And it came back $161,000. That's the type of work we do here.
At least it is.
Let me give the telephone number out. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. That is the number to call. And that is the number to call if you want good accident lawyers saved in your phone. Because, listen, you don't know when accidents going to happen. Crazy stuff happens here in New York City every day. We don't have to tell you all the crazy things that happen on a daily basis where people think they're going about their day, cars driving up on sidewalks, construction accidents happening on a daily basis, rear ends happening on a daily basis. You need good accident lawyers who are going to fight for you and be there for you the moment you get injured to the moment you get, hopefully, what will be a big paycheck, which is really what it is, for all of your pain and suffering and all of your lost earnings and all of your past medical bills. And the telephone number is 1-800-529-5465. So everybody is probably like, okay, great, I got the number. No, you don't got the number. The only way you got the number is when you dial it, hang up, and you have it saved in your phone. Then you got the number. Until then, it's going in one ear and out the other. And then when you need a good lawyer, you don't got it. So the best thing you can do right now is pick up the phone, dial the number, and hang up. It's 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. It's 10 seconds out of your day. If you think we got good lawyers here, which I think we do, I think we got very good lawyers here, you pick up the phone, you dial it, hang up, you got good lawyers saved for life. Probably the smartest thing you'll do all day. Smarter than anything else you'll do, other than, I guess, show up for work. That wouldn't be good either. 1-800, or maybe it's a nice day. It would be a smart thing to blow off work on a Friday, hot Friday in the beginning of the summer. 1-800, we don't do that.
Like that.
1-800, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Why not? 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. All right, we're getting into the 12:45 area now.
Social media.
We got to get to social media check-in. You guys can hang out, or you got to go back and yell at insurance companies.
Kind of have to go back and yell at insurance companies.
All right, so one of you want to hang out?
Moshe, you going to hang?
I mean, it's up to you.
Please.
Moshe, you hang, okay?
Okay, yeah. Russell is excited to get back to yelling at insurance companies. Moshe will hang for a few minutes.
Yes,
You
sir.
never know if you're going to get any personal injury cases here. We're going to get to page 21 now. Thank you very much, Russell. Moshe, you take a seat over here. I'm sorry, I have to get off Periscope.
This guy's
This
hilarious.
guy's going crazy. He's very funny, a good comedian. 1-800, I'll just watch him all day and just laugh. 1-800-529-5465. If you want a good laugh, go to Periscope. Bob is pretty funny there at Spar Bernstein. Check him out. He's actually a good comedian, I guess. And if you do, check out Bob. Don't forget to tip your waitress on the way out. On YouTube at Law Offices Spar Bernstein. On Facebook for the serious people who love us and have real questions. 1-800-5. I'm sure there's real questions on Periscope too. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Moshe, look like you're excited to be here. You're on television and you look angry.
I'm not angry.
You look angry.
I'm not angry.
But you looked it.
I'm super excited.
No, you're not. You looked angry. What are you so angry about?
Nothing.
He's chilling.
You seem very angry. All right, Joe.
Yes, sir.
What's up?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Moshe, look at yourself here. Look how angry you look. Okay? Look, don't be so angry. Get out of your angry mode. He's so angry. He likes to yell at insurance companies all morning. And then 1-800. It's very true. Joe, what's up?
Hey, Brad. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm calling to ask you, my brother married residence green card holder. So they do the paper, send it to the immigration service.
they took the I-130. They sent the all paper back to us to say the visa is not ready.
Your brother filed for his wife. She's a citizen or a resident?
He's a resident.
Well, that's why, because there's a waiting list.
Thank you.
All right, there's a 2-year waiting list, 2.5-year waiting list. Tell her to come in because she's not sure, she's not going about this the right way.
Okay.
All right? That's why. You can only file an I-130 and adjustment when your priority date is current, meaning there's no waiting list, which is not the case right now, or you're married to a U.S. citizen, parent of a U.S. citizen, or child under 21 of a U.S. citizen. All right, hold on 1 second, all right? We got to get to page 21, Moshe.
Yeah.
You know what page 21 is? That's USA Credit Repair.
Right.
They are here for you today. They're here for you tomorrow. That's their motto. They're here every day, 365 days a year, USA Credit Repair.
Great.
These guys on New Year's Eve claim to answer the phone. I'm going to test it out this New Year's Eve.
Wow.
I will see if the phone gets answered.
Are you going to be good enough to test it out?
I
mean,
will
you
be
should
good enough to test it out on New Year's Eve. They claim it's answered.
Okay.
And the telephone number is
1-800-872-7177.
1-800-872-7177. 1-800-872-7177. That's USA Credit Repair. They're our proud sponsors here. And what they do is they fix your bad credit. And if you do got bad credit, there's no better time than to start right now.
Yep. Why waste any
Right, because
another moment?
by in 90 days, by the end of the summer, you're going to be good.
Yeah.
All right? Not only will you be golden from the sun, but you'll be golden in your credit report as well.
Oh.
How fast do you like that, huh?
Smooth with the words.
Smooth with the wording,
Okay.
right?
All right.
How fast do they fix your credit report?
Well, they have a 90-day money-back guarantee.
Wow.
Yeah.
So if your credit stinks, they guarantee you that it's better in 90 days or money back.
Awesome.
It's the golden
rule.
The golden rule from USA Credit Repair. And then when they fix your credit, you get gold because you can get mortgage and credit cards and all sorts of things. So the golden rule helps you get the gold.
Right.
This
And you'll be
wording wizard.
golden before the end of the summer.
You're a wording wizard.
I am a wording wizard. I'm pretty,
You should write. You should write a book.
should
I would
write a
actually
book.
read a book if you wrote it.
I get the gold medal
Oh.
for word wizardry. 1-800-872-7177. That's USA Credit Repair. 1-800-872-7177.
We have a lot of questions online, too.
We have a lot of questions online. All right, so let's do the questions online. Let's go ahead.
All right, so we're going to go to Periscope first, and then we'll jump to YouTube and Facebook.
Yes.
So,
Moshe, if you know any of these answers,
Sure.
you jump in.
Sounds good.
All right, but Moshe's a personal injury attorney, a trial attorney.
So Bob posted this question a while ago.
Bob.
He said he heard that Trump might be putting limits on holding dual citizenship. Is there any truth to that you know
No
of?
truth whatsoever.
All right. Is it a good idea to apply for citizenship with a fee waiver I-912?
Yeah, if you qualify and you don't want to pay a filing fee and you qualify, why shouldn't you? Why should you have to pay if the government says you don't have to pay if you're under the poverty guidelines?
Okay. Also, do I need to send tax returns with my N400 application if applying under the approved 1360 app?
You have to be able to demonstrate. You see, I don't really do it a lot. I don't do it at all because if you come in and afford a lawyer, you can't turn around and say, I can't afford pay a filing fee. But my presumption is you would have to demonstrate that you are below the poverty level.
All right. My wife is out of status with J1. What do I put her as? What do I put as her status on the N400?
On J1?
Yeah, she's out of status with a J1.
J1.
Even though she's out of status, you still put it as
J1 or just put overstay.
okay. All right, I'm just
Or write J1 overstay.
All right, let's jump to YouTube. Question here is from Lynn. Is it normal to get the case ready for work? Is it normal to get I'm going to read verbatim. Is it normal to get case is ready for work scheduled interview by marriage before getting work permit? Did Biometrics March 31st.
What?
I'm struggling myself. If you scroll up, you'll see it.
Where am I going to see
Lynn,
this?
scroll back down a little. You
Scroll
passed
down
it.
now.
Right there.
Yeah. Is it normal to get cases ready for work scheduled interview by marriage before getting? Yeah, sometimes it is. She online it says the case is ready.
Okay.
That means that your application is completed.
All right.
And they're just going to waiting to schedule an interview for you.
Okay.
And you should be getting your work permit shortly.
I'll be filing my adjustment of status in June this year. I have a T visa. How long is the process to get my green card?
6 months. You know what a T visa is? Somebody who was smuggled into America.
And they're entitled? Wow.
Yeah. So if you were smuggled into America for, either, there's peonage these days, sex workers, any sort of human trafficking.
Wow.
Yeah.
My mom is an American citizen, and I am 32 years old. If she starts filing now, how long would it take for me and my 5-year-old to get through?
That's 7 years.
Ooh.
Ooh. I like the
new one.
No, I like the sound effects.
Yes. Good afternoon, guys. My husband just naturalized. Can he go ahead and apply for our 16 years son's passport, or does he need to file the N600 for certification?
Do the N600 first. You should always do that first.
All right. Yeah, he's a permanent resident living here.
Yeah.
What's the fee to file for the N600?
I think it's $1,000. You can go online and look it up, but Google tells you everything.
Google knows all.
Google does know everything, right?
Mhm.
I mean, what does Google not know?
How to filter out the important stuff from the
fake news.
Yeah.
Real news versus fake news. Yeah, I don't think Google knows that one yet. It is $1,170.
All right. Next question. I lost my passport with an I-94. Tried to request the info. They say they can't find it. Is there any other way to apply for a green card without the info? I'm married to a U.S. citizen. I came in the country as a child in the late 80s.
If you're going to adjust your status, you need to be able to prove you made a legal entry into America. So you either need to do an I-102 or CBP FOIA. You would need to help to come in.
All right.
Yes.
There's a lot of comments in here. Question for a friend. Her baby got lead poisoning from the apartment that she lives in. Is
This
that
is
something?
from Moshe.
Is that something that you guys can handle?
Absolutely.
Depending on the
level of the lead.
There's a lot of violation and statutes for the Department of Buildings right now. So if you just look at those, and a lot of it's covered by that. So depending on the facts.
Why don't we get her telephone number, and Moshe can speak to her off the air, and we can see whether we can help them or not. But certainly,
Okay. I'll definitely reach out to her.
lead paint poisoning against a landlord are certainly viable claims, depending on the level of lead in the child's
system.
And the level of lead in the building.
Correct.
Okay.
All right.
So I told her to send us a message, and we'll reach out to her.
Yes.
Next question. My friend did her biometrics last month for the I-485, and they sent her for another biometrics for the I-765. Is this a normal thing for them to do?
No, but probably the biometrics didn't. Something went wrong in the biometrics the first time around.
Okay.
But certainly go for all of your biometric appointments.
Yep. Nisha says, what does that mean, an adjustment of status?
That means I'm applying to get an interview for my green card in America.
Okay. There we have it.
That's it. All right. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Hakeem.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. Good afternoon, Brad.
How are you? What's going on?
Yeah, I'm good. Okay. I just received my 2-year green card like 3 months ago.
Right.
Is there a time that I need to go and change my Social Security card that says work with authorization only? Do I have to go change it to the other Social Security card that doesn't have that on it?
I would, because I wouldn't. It's not necessary to have on your Social Security card anymore. So why would you? It's not. I mean, is it mandatory to do? Absolutely not. But if you show your Social Security card and it has that emblem on it, they're gonna. Anyone who you show it to is going to say, "Let me see your green card too." So you got to walk around with both documents at all times. Versus if you go back and replace it, just as a regular Social Security card without any, notification that you're an immigrant. I just always think it's less information is better. So I would suggest you do it.
Okay, so if I change my address, do I still need to notify immigration to let them know that I changed my address?
Yes, you file an AR-11.
Okay, do I have a time to tell? Do I have a time limit?
No, but you should do it as a matter of good process to do it. Nothing bad will happen to you if you don't tell them, but it's always good that you do it.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Thank you. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. I'm joined by Moshe from our personal injury department. If you didn't get the memo yet, maybe the memo didn't get to you yet, but you need good personal injury lawyers saved in your phone for construction accidents, car accidents. See how angry he is? Okay, wait until like the defense lawyer sees how angry he is. They scared the crap out of him. I'm telling you. Right?
It's the truth, Brad. I get defense attorneys asking me all the time, "Why are you so serious? Why are you taking this case so seriously?" I say, "Look, I work for Spar and Bernstein. This is the way we do it."
It's true, though. I know it's true. Now he smiles, but it's true. What he's saying is true. 1-800-529-5465. You pick up the phone, you dial the number, you hang up. You got really good personal injury lawyers saved in your phone for life. Let's go to Verilyn. Verilyn.
Good afternoon, Dan.
How are you?
I'm pretty good, thank you. And I just want to commend you all for the wonderful work you are doing.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I am calling on behalf of a cousin of mine who got married, and she wants to adjust. Her husband is filing for her. But she put in her stuff since February, and the priority date was on the 24th of February, something like that. But she hears from them, but when you think she's supposed to go under the biometric, and when will that happen, if you can tell me?
90 days from the time of filing, you're usually doing your biometrics.
Okay.
All right. Has it been more than 90 days? I didn't hear when.
It's since February.
March, April. All right. So if she hasn't gotten biometrics yet, then she should be making an appointment to come see me, because actually should have been done. It's generally 6 weeks, but I tell everybody wait 90 days. After 90 days, come see me, because then there's a problem.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Okay. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Simone. Simone.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Say hi to Moshe.
Hi, Moshe.
Hi,
Do you know what Moshe does here? Were you listening?
I have a quick immigration.
She's not interested in what you do here, Moshe.
Oh,
absolutely
damn.
care less what Moshe does here. What's your immigration question?
Can you, as a U.S. citizen, can you still apply for a green card for your siblings?
As a U.S. citizen, absolutely. It's going to take a long time, but you can absolutely do it.
Okay, how long will it take?
12 years, 13 years, 11 years. I mean, it's a lot of years. Nobody should be quitting their job so fast. All right?
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay,
but
so
do it. Get it in. You never get it in, and eventually they will make it here.
Okay, even if they're over 18?
Even if they're over 75.
Okay, great.
All right.
Alrighty, thanks. Okay.
All right. 1-800-529-5465. We've got about a minute. Mary, we got about 1 minute. Quickly.
Yes, good afternoon. Immigration question.
Go ahead.
I live in the States. I have a green card holder. My father lives in Jamaica. I would like to go and see him. But I have a British passport, but I was born in Somalia, which states that I'm born in Somalia in my passport. And I'm wondering, if I go to Jamaica, would I have a problem coming back up?
Are you a British citizen?
Yes.
Okay, if you're a British citizen and you have a green card, you can certainly go to Jamaica. British citizens do not need a visa, as far as I'm aware, to enter Jamaica. Is that correct, SMG?
Yes.
Okay, so you go on the plane with your British passport. When you show up in Jamaica, you show your British passport. They'll be more than happy to welcome you in as a tourist.
No, but coming back,
and then coming back, you show your green card and you're a citizen of Britain. You could be born in one country and be a citizen of another country. That's not unheard of.
No, because where my passport says that I was born in Somalia with this seven country band, issue thing I have.
Yes, I understand that. So they may give you a problem coming in, but you are in fact a British citizen, not a Somali citizen.
And a green card holder.
And a green card holder, correct.
Okay,
so I would not worry.
So
I can't
much.
promise you that, be smooth sailing at the airport, but you will absolutely be allowed to come back in.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. And we're going to have to end the show here.
Yes, we are. We're out of time.
Thank you, and thank you, Mary, for calling. 1-800, I just yelled at her. She's like, oh, my God. I just yelled at her, yeah. 1-800-529-5465. Save good personal injury lawyers. You got Moshe right here. Very good personal injury lawyer. You heard Russell earlier. Construction accidents, 1-800-529-5465. I'm going to be in my office for the rest of the day, so if you need immigration help, just call our office, make an appointment to come see me. We're out of here.
Have a great weekend.
Take
The
care.
proceeding was informational only and not specific legal advice. Consult an attorney about your individual situation. Prior results do not guarantee a similar outcome in the future. To make an appointment with the Spar and Bernstein Law Firm located at 225 Broadway in New York City, call 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. Easily remembered, 1-800-LAWLINK. That's 1-800-LawLink. Once again, make a call to 1-800-529-5465. And of course, link up with the law offices of Spar and Bernstein located at 225 Broadway on the 5th floor. If I were you out there, make the call, make the link, make the connection, make it Spar and Bernstein. 1-800-LawLink. That's 1-800-529-5465.